To get a guy to notice you without having to talk to him, focus on making yourself approachable and noticeable. Begin with a warm, genuine smile and hold their gaze for a few extra seconds when you make eye contact. Incorporate subtle, flirtatious gestures, like briefly touching your hair or turning your head to glance back as you walk by. Look for natural opportunities to be physically near them, while always maintaining open, confident body language by standing tall and relaxing your shoulders. Ensure your appearance is tidy and flattering, reflecting your authentic style. And don't be afraid to let your unique personality shine through humor or a bit of spontaneity. Make your presence known by engaging actively with your environment, rather than being glued to your phone. And always demonstrate kindness to those around you. Finally, remember that you'll appear more approachable if you're not always surrounded by a large group, allowing your true, confident self to be the most attractive quality.